Hello everyone. Right in front of me I have a SONAX Profiline ceramic coating range, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use and apply the game-changing and amazing CC Pro. Before applying any long-term coating, you must make sure you prepare the paintwork. I've already gone through this on this old Toyota bonnet, but you must make sure you go through all of the pre-wash stages, the iron removal, tar removal, claying, and then polishing. You must do all of those steps because you must prepare the paint for the coating. The paintwork has to be super clean, fully degreased before you can even apply this coating, because if you don't do that correctly, it won't bond to the paintwork or in the paintwork, and then it just will not last and will not give you the performance you're looking for. So CC Pro, this is an absolute game changer, and you're going to understand why when I show you how to actually apply it. But first of all, let's take a look in the box and see what we get. An instruction manual with a few different languages. I only know English, so that's pointless to me. You get the dripper bottle of product, and you get 4 SONAX coating applicators, which we use the bright side, the white side for applying. Now, the reason there's 4 in there is because this is a kit for 2 vehicles. This will do 2 average size cars, 2 BMW 3 Series, something like that, easily. So it works out very cost effective. You get a spare applicator for each car, so 2 for each car, because while you're applying the car, especially on a hot and humid day, it can start to go hard, in which case we give you a spare one. See? SONAX thinks of everything. That's what you get in the kit. Now I'm going to take you through the application process. I need my SONAX coating applicator and I need my product. But before I even attempt to apply this, even after I've done all of my preparation with the cleaning, etc., I must wipe down with SONAX Prepare. This is a mixture of paint-safe solvents, and this will degrease the area to allow the coating a proper bond. So we will just spread that around, very, very gently wipe off. It's important not to be too aggressive with this cloth, because if you scratch, you need to polish again, and that's really annoying, costs time and money. Once we've degreased, this is now ready for the coating. So we take CC Pro, apply it to the applicator, applying a good few drops. Now with this, you can do, say, 1/4 of the bonnet at a time, 2 foot by 2 foot or 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. But for this, I'm just going to do a small patch in the middle, because this is just a how-to video, and this is not actually a car. So here we go. So we do a wet line around the outside, which is what I like to do. A square, and then I'll do 1 line across the middle. That means the majority of material is now around the outside and across the middle. And now what I can do is just bring that across by doing the side to side. It just means I get a more even coverage of product during the initial wipes, so I don't have a dry pad anywhere on there, and it makes spreading the product much easier. So after we've crisscrossed, I'm going to show you why this product is an absolute game changer in the world of professional coatings. Because if you're a professional, the cure times and wipe off and everything can be really tricky. Well, this one is straight on and straight off. No wait time, just immediately remove. Super, super fast processing. And we can turn the cloth over. I'm using a SONAX coating towel here, a new one, because again, I don't want to scratch, cause any problems, and it will just absorb the excess and level the coating so much nicer. Amazing, like an absolute game changer for professionals who normally have to do, the same amount of area, but have to wait, a few minutes, sometimes even longer, and that time is money. Faster you can get a car coated, the better. The other thing as well is they normally have long curing times after the application. This one does not. This is 2 hours. So 2 hours in a clean and dry environment, and then the car can be driven. It is an absolute game changer, saving you so much time, not having your workshop or any of your detailing space taken up by a car which is sat there doing nothing, not earning you any money. Straight on, straight off, 2 hours cure time and a 4-year coating. This is incredible for you guys as professionals. Also, it doesn't require any heat lamps or UV lights or anything like that. It will just cure within the air and humidity. It's amazing. So when you're wiping off, straight on, straight off. If you take too long applying it, it may be a little bit sticky, a little bit troublesome to remove, so just reapply some more onto the pad, apply it, that'll reactivate the coating and immediately remove. If you're still having trouble, Prepare will dissolve this coating within the first 12 hours. So if you've got high spots, you're really struggling, just use Prepare on the towel, it will remove the coating and then you can just reapply and just be quicker. Speed really is the factor with this. It's all about time and money. Once you've done that, obviously reapply and then just wait the time. As I said, the first 12 hours that will dissolve it. So if you have any high spots further down the line, you can reapply, you can dissolve, but you need to reapply. And that's it. You can't wash it for 7 days because that's how long it takes to fully cure, but the finish is unreal. It's already quite slick, but that will get slicker as it cures over the next 2 hours. Feels so soft and smooth like a wax. The color restoration is amazing. The depth of color, the gloss is unbelievable. And over the next 7 days, it will just look better. Not on this bonnet because this is just going to be put back in the corner again for the next training course. But on your vehicle, trust me, or customer's vehicle, this looks stunning. If you're a professional, even mobile guys, this coating is possible. It has such short processing times. It's not as temperature sensitive as the other coatings or the other ones we have. It's straight on, straight off. Minimum temperature to apply, even if you're outdoors, is 10 degrees. That's about it. So it really is a game changer and it's an amazing product for you guys to sell off of it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything about this, please just pop them in the comments and I'll be along to help as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and that is where you will see me.